Good morning. This is a new truck. We got upgraded from the DAF to a Scania. I'm in this now about 2 weeks. Just getting used to it, and I said, right, I'll do a little video on containers here this morning now. So just dropping a container here in place, lift and empty, go in and get it off, get a full one on and head for my next delivery, heading for Newry this morning. So I'll give you a show of this. Nice truck. Scania, as you can see, V8 S650. It's 2018. Nice job now. So yeah, we'll have a little look here. Don't mind the coat of it. The roads are in fair dirty lately. Just going to drop this trailer here now, and then I'll grab an empty. It's tight coupling there with the hydraulic tank in the back. It's close, but the Susies now behave themselves, in fairness. When I'm under my normal trailer, the tank, there's never any issues, you know, but in fairness to the Susies, they're okay now. They sit there. Once you don't do a major sharp turn, I had to change loading bay there. They asked me to change bays there. But I go and get under me empty. That container over there. We'll go and get her done. Right, good to go. Let's all get the empty off. We've got a full one on. There you are now, there you are now. Parked up on the bay. Modern Tyres in Newry. The new warehouse, massive. Could be here a while, short staff today. And my buddy pulled in there from Bridgestone. Little Peter, how you doing? Yeah. My memory card fact up earlier on this show, so I don't know what I've got recorded and what I haven't got recorded from earlier on. I'm from Ireland, in case you didn't know. There's a smelly air freshener. That's Paddy the bear. And this is the inside of the next gen that I'm driving now. She's all pretty nice, I can tell you. She's all pretty nice. Yeah, handy one here. Container, full load, truck tyres. Got it on there in the port this morning. Raining out. Well, it's not raining, it's drizzly. But yeah, this is the new bus now, lads. When it gets drier, I'll show you some more outside. For now, I'm going to have my coffee. Have the breakfast. Do this again. I think I have memory card issues. Just saying there before I got rudely interrupted by the card. She's Piggy, and it's only Wednesday, and she was spotless clean. Starting Monday morning, like it was shiny as that, like. Just saying, that's a nice little dinky trailer, isn't it? Alley wheels and everything. Too small for my yoke though, you know. Getting tipped there, they are. With the air suspension dropped, as you do when you're getting unloaded. It's rotten, boys. Been having memory card issues now here this morning with this look. Anyway, as I was saying earlier on, they sit tight, the Susies, but in fairness they always reset themselves. Hasn't got too much grease in them. Sitting a bit low there at the neck of the trailer because of with the air being down. I was going to put a bungee on, but I didn't want to stretch the Susies too much, you know. It's grand with the cement tanker. There's a much bigger gap, you know. But so far they're behaving. I haven't got tangled up or anything, you know. Too bad or anything like that. Or you see there on the other trailer over there. Look, we'll carry on. Tipping tank. Two little dings in the back of the cab there. She's tidy for a 182. She was tidy, boys. Grand big places. It is a grand big place. He tipped, docket signed, time to go. Oh, that, you good thing. Oh, the air's down. We're out the bay and get the doors closed. In that mirror, it's filthy. Till the next time, modern tires, till the next time. Good luck now. Catch you down the road. Just back at everybody's favourite place. Port Row. That's correct name, DSG. Doyle's Shipping Group. Got me empty off. And got me empty off, but the PIN number for the full container was expired. Just got a text here now a minute ago to say it's updated, so I'll walk over to this office here now and get the tickets, see where the box is and get it on and head back to the yard, see what's next. You're not supposed to record in here really, you know, so just leaving it sitting there, you know. Anyway, there you go. That's my update for now, back in Dublin. That's me back under the tank. Got a little load for the morning. The container duties are done for now. Oh yeah, now there's the Susie's all better for the tank on. There's loads of room. Plenty of room for the Susies. There you go. That's us in here loading out for morning. The door to the right is rotten. That's me now done and dusted. Loaded and ready for the morning. Nice handy one for the morning. Nice easy start. Well, look at this. Right, look. Shit, give her an old dust there shortly. Thanks for watching. That's what they say, isn't it? Thanks for watching. And if this all goes together, grand job. And if it's not, we'll try again. I had problems with memory card this morning, so we'll see what happens. That'll do. Good luck now. Take her handy. Wee. Slán go fall. The big V down the road to Athlone.